Hey guys, it's Mandy with the Sort of Fairy Tale. This week, the vlog is going to be, actually Bennett's going to be the star. I'm just going to narrate it. The prompt this week for the Vlogging Wednesday is to show a room that you spend a lot of time in or that you love. And we're actually in Bennett's room. I spend actually not that much time in here because he actually doesn't like to be in here that much. But it is my favorite room because it's his and because all the little things in here are his. I wish he'd play in here more. So I will just show you the room quickly. It's a big mess. I didn't clean up or anything for you. Sorry. This is his chair. This is where we sit before he goes to bed at night and read his stories and feed him before he goes down. Hey Bennett, you want to come? Here, let's just give him a tour. Hang on. Sorry about that. I just have my little camera. Okay, so there's the chair. Ouch! Sorry, there's stuff all over the floor. That's his bed or his crib. He just has a couple blankies and his bear. This bedroom's actually the master bedroom in our apartment, but before we got pregnant, we actually used this room as a storage room because the other room is bigger. So we turned this one into his room. So he actually has a bathroom in here, which I'm not going to show you because it's gross. And well, it's not gross, but we just don't use it. Closets, and let's see, here's just a few little shelves. We left the futon in here. We play on this a lot, and my husband likes to nap in here sometimes. This is his toy area. I'm sure that a lot of kids' rooms look like this. There's the dog. He plays in this corner quite a bit, but we don't bother really putting it away because he just tears it apart. This was his changing table, although we don't change him here very often anymore because he just, what? He just squirms around and it's just more of a pain than anything else. So we just change him on the floor or wherever. And this is a little collage I made. He was 10 weeks old, hanging on his wall. It's just sort of a progression of his smile there and his name, and then there's just some little tools in there, some little baby things, and there's some clothes and some other things in this shelf, his hamper, and we'll just go to his closet. And I'm not holding back, it's messy, but you get to see everything. So his closet we pretty much use for storage. This is all his clothes he doesn't fit into and all that. These are his clothes that he does fit into. I'm hanging up, and this is just kind of storage, whatever. Anyway, so that's Bennett's room. Not too interesting of a vlog this week, but I did want to participate at least a little. So, hang on a minute. Anyway, this is Bennett's room, and he was happy to take you on that tour as he chases the dog off the bed. Bennett, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave? There he goes. Thanks for visiting.